Hi all, my name is Seema from Informatica GCS. In this video we are going to see how to generate list of all the users and groups in Informatica Power Center using the functionality called audit reports. This feature audit reports is added in Informatica Admin Console from Informatica 961 version onwards. This audit reports provides information about users and groups in the Informatica domain and about the privileges, roles and permissions assigned to each user or group. There are 5 types of audit reports which can be generated in Informatica domain. One is user personal information. This displays the contact information and status details of user accounts in the domain. Second one is user group association. It will give the association between the user and groups. Third one is privileges. This will provide the information about the privileges assigned to the user or a group. Fourth one is rules, which will give the information about the rules assigned to the users. And last one is domain object permission. This will give information about the domain objects for which users and groups have permission. Now we will see how to generate audit reports. Here I have already logged into the Informatica Admin Console. To generate audit reports we have to go to Security tab. Once you go to Security tab, click on audit reports. In the first drop down it will show all the types of audit reports. Here I am going with user personal information. In the second drop down you need to select whether this audit report is for users or groups. I am going with users. Click on go. Once you click on go, you will see a list of users present in the domain. You can add all the users or you can add particular user for which you want to generate report. Here I am adding the user A and generate report. Here you can see the information about the user ABC, which can be saved in CSV, text or PDF format. Here I am saving it in a PDF format. This is the user information PDF. Similar way we will try to generate another type of report. Here I am selecting privileges. This report will give the information about the privileges assigned to a particular user or a group. Here I am selecting users. Click on go. Here I am selecting the same user ABC. Generate report. These are the privileges assigned to the user ABC. This I am saving as a PDF. Here you can see the same in the report. For more information you can refer to Informatica knowledge base, which is https://search.informatica.com. We would love to hear feedback from you. You can send your feedback to supportvideos@informatica.com or you can write to twitter.com/infosupport. Thank you.